Good morning, Thomas. We are going to be mixing chemicals today. What do you think chemicals are?
When I think of chemicals, I think of things like poison and petrol and
That's
detergent.
right. Detergents are made of chemicals. Petrol. What do you think about this jug of water? Do you think this?
I wouldn't think that's a chemical at all.
Well, actually it is. What we have today is a whole bunch of different stuff in front of us, and this type of stuff is what we call matter. It's just another word for stuff, and all matter is made up of chemical elements or combinations of chemical elements. Now, I've got here some soil from the garden. When we look at it like this, what can you see?
I can see rocks. I can see leaves and bits of organic matter.
And if we use a magnifying glass, can you see things a bit clearer? You can
I can see roots and things like that. Yeah.
Some roots, that's right. So you can see this dirt is made up of many different parts. And when we use a magnifying glass, we can see the parts clearer. If we had a microscope, do you think we'd be able to see the parts even clearer?
Yep.
That's right. But even with a very strong light microscope, we still can't see the smallest particles of dirt that make up the dirt. So we're going to make our first mixture, and it's going to be a mixture of the garden soil and some water. We're going to make a real nice, sloppy, muddy mixture. Here we go. Let's give this a good shake. And let's make a nice. What have we got here? What can you see now? Before we had dirt down the bottom, and we added water, and now we've got
muddy water.
Muddy water.
Very murky water. Yeah.
That's right. And so we've got soil and we've got water, and we've mixed them together to make muddy water. Do you think we'd be able to separate them again?
It would be very hard, but I think you can.
And how could we separate it?
So pour it through a filter.
That's right. Yep. Filter would be a great way to get all that dirt out. That's quite right. What about if we just let it stand for a while?
Yeah. So we let it stand for a while. Things that float will float to the top, and the things that are heavier will sink to the bottom, and you'll have a clear water in the middle.
That's right, and that's exactly what has happened here. This is some muddy water that I mixed up before, and I have let it sit for a couple of days, and as you can see, what have we got up the top?
Yeah, so you've got lighter things floating at the surface, and then you've got the heavy bits of dirt and rocks at the bottom.
That's right, so we've looked at a mixture and we've seen that it looks uniform, it's all black water, and then we've let it sit and it's separated into its different parts. So that was our first mixture. Our second mixture, let's wipe our hands here, is going to be a little bit more interesting. We've got flour and sugar in here. Would you like to pour that milk in there? And give that a stir. You give that a stir. Let's add an egg. In our egg here, we can see the two parts of the egg. Let's just mix that. Now, do you think our pancake mixture, if we just let that sit, would it separate like our dirty water?
I don't think so. I don't think so, but maybe.
Let's have a look at some finished pancakes. Let's have a look what that looks like. Can you see the difference between our raw pancake mix and the real pancakes? Would you like some?
Yes, please. Thank you.